Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chili baby corn at home. It is a very simple and a spicy one. It is the best starter that you can serve if you host a party at your home. Come on, let's get started. I have taken some water in a pan to blanch the baby corns. And today I'm using one packet of baby corns, that is around 12 baby corns, which I have split into half. So let's drop this in the water. I'm also adding 3 Kashmiri red chilies. We want this for making sauce, so I'm going to blanch it together. So let this boil for around 5 minutes. And to a bowl, I'm adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as required, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to mix all the ingredients well. And now to this, let's add the blanched the baby corns. So drain the water and then drop it. Let this cool down a little and then we'll mix it thoroughly. And when this is cooling down, I'm going to grind 3 Kashmiri red chilies that we have blanched. Along with this, I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to add little water and grind this into a smooth paste. And now this is cooled down completely. I'm going to mix it. Do not add water, just sprinkle water if it is necessary. So I'm just going to add a little water and then mix it thoroughly. Add water little at a time and ensure that the batter is well coated on these baby corns. And that's it, this is ready. Now it's time to deep fry. And the oil is hot now. Let's drop in the baby corns one at a time. We have already cooked the baby corns for around 5 minutes, so it's almost done. So we just need a crispy outer layer. So it's enough if you fry the baby corns for around 1 or 2 minutes on high flame. So now the outer layer has become very crispy. We can remove it and then transfer it to a tissue paper. You can also eat this just like this. It will taste very yummy. Anyways, we are going to prepare a sauce to coat these baby corns. And now I'm going to fry the other batches as well. And now to make the sauce, to a pan I have added around half a teaspoon of oil. To this I'm going to add the ground masala, that is the Kashmiri red chilies and the garlic. I have also added little water to the same mixer jar and I'm adding it. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of tomato chili sauce. And now lower the flame and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of honey, and this is to balance the flavor. You can also add sugar instead of this. Adding a pinch of salt. Mix it well, and I'm going to cook this on medium flame for around 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell from the garlic goes off. And now it's time to add the fried baby corns. And now mix everything well. All the baby corns should be coated well with the sauce. It smells amazing. You should definitely try this. And now after mixing this, let this cook on medium flame for around 2 or 3 minutes so that it sucks in all the goodness from the sauce. And now this is ready. It's time to serve. Our yummy chili baby corn is now ready. It's time to taste. Wow. It's spicy but not too spicy. As we have added honey, it actually balances the flavor. It's too yummy. The baby corn is still crunchy. You can feel the freshness from the baby corn, and also the garlic gives a wonderful flavor. Definitely, if you're a garlic lover, do not skip adding it. But if you do not like garlic, you can definitely skip it. There's no wrong in it. Do try this recipe, you will love this. Do share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.